like a female, like a Karen type shit. Can you not flash me? Why would you flash me? Why would you flash me, Green? You fucking fat.
Hey, bro, it's a pretty common flash. Just don't peek.
No, it's not. Not when your teammate is out. No, it's not. You need to use your peanut, dude.
Yo.
Can you stop baiting me? Stop baiting
Hey,
my
bro, I
penis.
got a 4K. Come on.
Hey, bro, get up my
Do better.
penis, bro. Bro,
1 and 3.
bro. Yo, bro. Shit, man. Hey, bro, yo. I got a small penis, bro. Shit, man. Oh, word? You got a small penis? Damn, man. That ain't me, man. I got a big penis, man. I'm sorry, man. That you got a micro, man. You feel me? Shit, man. Get out my way, you bitch ass. Bro, you move when I move you. You move out the way. You move out the. Can you stop flashing me, you fuck? When I'm with you, I cannot lose.
Nobody like you.
That's your shit, huh? Yeah, finish it off, nigga. That's your song. Nigga. You know that's your song.
Huh?
You got a small ass dick. You fucking knock you out, alright, you know that, right? I knock you the fuck out. Back when my penis was small, but now it's big because of procedure. Oh, I just threw away the op. What the fuck? You fuck.
Where did that guy even come from? What the fuck?
No armor. Does that make sense? This is a fake. One is big. Thank you for letting me get.
I unboxed a slaughter knife survival with my dick.
Okay.
Bro always has to bring it up.
Oh my lord.
Any chance he gets, has to bring it
Yo,
up.
I just had to let it be
He
known.
always brings. He always brings it up, bro.
It's like the
Anytime.
like when you meet a Tame Impala fan, they're just like, yo, did you know this was one person? Anytime Rax meets someone on CS that likes skins, yo, did you know I opened a knife with my dick?
Yo. How'd you get that?
One of them's headshot, the other one shot twice. Oh, they're all running out. They're all running out.
Here.
Where, A?
There's
Sat down. Sat down. Who's next?
Yo, bro. Dude uncrouched and
All right, bro. Y'all letting him do that to y'all. I'm not.
You have.
I'm.
All right, team. Everybody, look at me. We gotta lock in here. We need 11 wins. 11 wins. We're 6 behind. Let's focus up, all right?
Yo, you said 3, bro. It's just 2 of them. Okay.
Well, actually, we're with you, bro.
Now it's too late. Shit.
Okay.
Bro. Did he walk past me?
Are you dead, Yellow?
nope, I'm alive.
That's not him?
Scared.
Bro, what is this angle?
Yeah. Oh my god, bro. That guy was so bad.
Whoa!
Team, I apologize for I only have 3 kills. For this, I will drink another beer.
Good call. Good call.
Alright,
that's
okay.
good.
Yes, I am drinking support. I will drink until liver no more.
Thank you for your services.
No problem. Oh, he's on the ground. I am.
Dude, he's
stupid.
down. Like, he's heading.
I saw him.
Like, right here,
okay,
right
Dumpy, left or right?
Right.
I do not know call out. Sorry, team.
Go up that ladder.
Planting on.
Hold shift. Never mind, you're good. Just
Hold
go.
shift. No, just go.
Oh my god, let me finish my beer and get another one. I am emotional support. I'm gonna piss myself. I say sorry where I
said no.
Mid. He's probably not gonna peek it again. He did peek it again, like an idiot.
This game is just fucking. I don't know how to say it, bro.
Off mid.
I think the rest are.
Yeah. Yo, give me an AK.
Nice.
Oh!
Deploying flashbang.
Oh, wait, what? He's going through single.
Nice.
Yo.
USP on top.